If you're wondering how to adjust video speed in Descript, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to slow down your video for better clarity or speed things up for a quicker, more engaging viewing experience, I'll show you how in just a few easy steps. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal a special bonus just for you to try Descript for free. So let's dive right into it. When you first open Descript, you'll notice how user-friendly the interface is. It's designed with ease in mind, perfect for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. To start adjusting your video speed, open your project in Descript and make sure you've imported your video clip into the timeline. Once you've got your video in place, you'll need to select the part of the video that you want to adjust the speed for. It could be the entire clip or just a specific section. Click on the video clip and you'll see a toolbar at the top. Here you'll want to look for the speed option. If you don't see it right away, just click on the little gear icon next to your clip and you'll find the speed settings there. From here, it's simple to adjust the speed. You can either speed up or slow down the video by dragging the speed slider. Descript gives you the ability to adjust the speed in increments, allowing you to speed up your video by a factor of 2x, 3x, or even slow it down as much as 0.5x. It's a very intuitive feature, and you'll notice the real-time preview makes it easy to see how the speed change impacts the video. If you're working with voiceovers or interviews and you need to adjust the speed for better timing or clarity, this is where you can fine-tune. Lowering the speed can make it easier to transcribe accurately, while speeding it up might help if you're working with longer recordings and want to keep the viewer engaged. One of the most powerful features in Descript, especially if you're working with a larger project, is the ability to select specific sections of the video to adjust. This is useful when you only need to speed up or slow down certain parts, like a specific scene or interview segment. For instance, let's say you have a long tutorial and you want to speed up certain sections where there's minimal talking or action. You can simply select that section, adjust the speed slider, and the change will only apply to that specific segment, leaving the rest of your video untouched. Another useful tip when adjusting video speed in Descript is the audio pitch correction. If you adjust the speed too much, you may notice that the pitch of the audio sounds off. Descript allows you to toggle on audio pitch correction. So even when speeding up or slowing down, the voices stay clear and natural sounding. The ability to adjust video speed is not only helpful for content creators, but it's also a great tool for marketers and businesses. Speed adjustments can improve the pacing of tutorials, product demos, or customer testimonials, making sure your content hits the right notes for engagement. This feature is especially useful in creating polished, professional-looking videos without spending too much time in the editing suite. Now, I promised you something special at the beginning of the video, and here it is. You can use Descript completely free through the first link below. With this exclusive offer, you'll get extended access to all the features, including video speed adjustments, so you can experience the full power of this software. No commitment required, just dive in and start creating today. So, to recap, adjusting video speed in Descript is simple, whether you're speeding up content for efficiency or slowing it down for clarity. It's intuitive, customizable, and perfect for anyone, from beginners to digital marketers. If you want to try this out yourself, hit the first link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching and happy editing.